How to check Fiverr call rates. Today I'll quickly show you how to check Fiverr out call rates. It's super duper simple, so without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open the Fiverr app on your device. Once you're inside your Fiverr app, tap onto the More button at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, tap on Fiverr out. Now from here, search for the country you want to call. You'll see the per minute rate and also plan options like unlimited, country or world plans. Or you can go to your preferred browser or type in account.fiverr.com. Just search for the destination and you'll get the latest live rates instantly. This way you can compare pay as you go. Prices with monthly plans, super quick and easy, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today and I'll see you in the next video.